The Oklahoma City Thunder finally gonna get their first win of the season. It took them 5 games to do that. Russell Westbrook had 23 points, so did Paul George. Noel had 20. So maybe that's the secret. Maybe that's the formula for them to get a win. Look at that touchdown pass going the other way. Transition, they're sharing the rock tonight. Westbrook misses the slam. And it goes out of bounds. That is hilarious. That is the season that they've had to start things off. Paul George lets it go over the defense. Russell Westbrook making a fan happy. He's rocking the Why Not shoes. And a fan wants to trade a pizza for the shoes. Westbrook having fun there. Then comes back on the court. Drive slashes, gives it to Noel for the slam. Westbrook double crossover, another crossover, finishes with the left hand. He's fired up. Schroeder gets in the lane, throws up the lob to Noel. Gotta take another look. Did you see that fake pass, that bounce pass? And then he went up top, he went up high. Paul George gets the rebound. Shot clock cheese from way downtown. Half court to beat the buzzer with multiple defenders. Thunder win. This poor guy. I've never seen somebody get hit with that many combos in a fight. I had to let him go. He's not going to survive. I mean, what is he going to do out there if he let me throw a 20-punch combo on him? This is the Wild Wild West, and I am going to be a savage, but that guy, I mean, that's just pathetic. Just let him go.